How to fix Snap camera filters not working? Let's fix it in a minute. So first of all, long press on Snapchat app, tap app info, go to storage usage, clear cache, also clear storage or clear data if that option is in your phone, but in my case here is manage space, and then tap on delete. This will log you out from your Snapchat account, so you will need to log in again. Next step is go to Play Store. If you are iPhone user, then tap on App Store and search for Snapchat. And here update the app to the latest version. After updating, it will be fixed. If it's still not working, then completely uninstall and reinstall the app.